Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to set up Temu account for savings. So let's get straight into the video. It's a very simple and easy process. All you need to do is simply go ahead and open your Temu. And if you haven't already registered, simply go ahead and do so. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it by logging out of my account real quick. What you need to do is simply go ahead and click on register and sign in. And this is where you can either continue with email, continue with phone number, continue with Google or Apple, or you can continue with either of those. Once you've simply signed up, all you need to do is simply go ahead and get inside of your account. And now you want to simply go ahead and use your email for registration. While you can use Google, Facebook, or Apple, creating a fresh account with email is recommended for security. Then new users, upon creating a new account, you will typically be offered a large coupon bundles like $100 off and so on. You can also make multiple different purchases from lightning deals and clearance deals where you can save so much money. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.